Hello everyone, welcome to the Best Online Tutorials channel. In this one I'm showing you how to sync audio and video in CapCut Desktop. Alright, so just create your new project and let me just import my files into here. So just drag the video into your timeline. After that, drag the external audio file into track 2. Alright, just edit this FLAC file and then just paste it right underneath your video file. And don't forget guys, you can also make it fit. I'm just going to fit it to my video like this. You can also hold Control, select both files like this, so that audio clip on your timeline and your video are both highlighted. Right click on either of the selected tracks and then choose Sync Audio, Sync Video and Audio. Bingo. As you can see, synced video to sound. And that is pretty much it, guys. After that, you can just go ahead and edit further, or just go ahead and export your project if you wish and save it on your PC. Enjoy, pretty simply done. If this helps, subscribe.